Dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class. Our chapter going on is chapter 7, that is dissolution of partnership firm, and our topic going on is ascertaining of sundry asset by preparing memorandum balance sheet. Clear? So today we are going to solve one comprehensive numerical. See example number 30. I am reading it for you. A and B are were partners from 1st April 2010. See, in this question the transaction are given from the first day of the year. Otherwise, in most of the cases you will get balance sheet at the end of the year with the capital of 60,000 and 40,000 respectively. They shared profit in the ratio of 3:2. They carried on business for 2 years. In the first year ended 31st March 11, they earned a profit of 50,000. But in the second year ended 31st March 12, a loss of 20,000 was incurred and the business was no longer profitable. They dissolved the firm on 31st March 12. Creditors on that date were 20,000. Partners withdrew for personal use rupees 8,000 per partner per year. The asset realized 1 lakh. Expenses of realization were 3,000. Prepare realization account, partners capital account and cash account. Okay student. Now see in this numerical, partners are starting business from the beginning of the year. Again the balance of the asset is not given. On the other hand, amount realized from the sale of asset is given and expenses of realization are 3,000 and creditors are 20,000. Clear? So in order to solve this numerical, first we have to make the partners capital account, because in order to prepare memorandum balance sheet you should have closing balances of the partners capital, but here those balances are not given. On the other hand, the opening capital is given. So in order to find out closing capital, first we have to prepare partners capital account for 2 years. So see, first we prepare partners capital account. 2011 April 1 by bank account is bringing in 60,000 and B is bringing in 40,000. Clear? Sorry, they started business in the year 2010. Now 2011 March 31st by profit and loss account. Okay. This year we are having a profit of 50,000 and the ratio is 3:2. So we are going to divide it back in the ratio of profit 30 and 20. Okay. Now in the year they have done drawings also. So 2011 March 31st to cash account. 8,000. Both the partners have withdrawn 8,000 per year. Okay. Now again we are going to balance it. So to balance CD 82,000 and 52,000. Now we are going to make a total. So that comes to 90,000 and 60,000. First year is completed. Now we will draw partners capital for the next year, 2011 April 1 by balance BD. So this balance of the 31st March will come to the credit side on April 1. So that is 82,000 and 52,000. Clear? This year they are having a loss instead of having a profit. So 2012 March 31st. They have done drawings also. So to cash account 8,000 each. To balance CD 74,000 and 44,000. Okay student, now see partners capital account has been prepared for the 2 year and we have got the closing balance. So closing balance of the partners capital account is 74,000 and I have not distributed the profit loss for the year. To profit and loss account. Clear? Loss for the year is 20,000. Clear? So A will get 12,000 and B will get 8,000. Now we are going to balance it. To balance CT 31st March. So the balance of the capital is 62,000 and 36,000. So that comes to 82 and 52,000. So the balances of the capital account we have obtained. Now we are going to make the balance sheet. Clear? So I hope that partners capital account would be clear to you. Now we are going to make the balance sheet. Clear? I am erasing this thing. Balance sheet as on March 31st, 2012. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. See, so first we will write the balances of capital account A and B. So the balance of the capital of A and B is 62 and 36. Total is 98,000. And we have creditors of 20,000. Maybe we don't have any other thing, so we will make a total. So that is 1,18,000. So that will be our sundry assets. Write in the bracket balancing figure. One lakh 18,000 would be our sundry asset. Clear? Now our balance sheet has been prepared, and after the preparation of balance sheet, our working notes are finished. Now we are going to make realization account. Clear? So when the moment your working notes are complete, you will write over here solution. Clear? On the in your register you will write over here is solution, because the preparation of partners capital account and memorandum balance sheet will come in your working room. Now your main real solution is started. So we are going to make realization account. Okay. Now what we have is sundry assets. So two sundry assets. Amount is 1,18,000. And on the liability side we are having creditors by creditors account. Okay. Balances of the capital account will not come to the realization account because it's a liability of the partner, so it will go to the partner's capital account. Okay. As usual, nothing is mentioned about the payment of the liabilities, but if you remember the document which I gave you for realization account, which says that you have to must pay off your liability even if the question is silent estimates treatment. Okay. So we are going to make the payment of liabilities on the debit side. Right here to bank account, creditors and expenses. What is the amount of creditors? For 20,000 and expenses are 3,000. So total is 23,000. Okay. Similarly, we are going to write over here is the amount of assets realized. So by bank account, amount realized from the sale of asset is 1 lakh. Now as I already told you, this is our income side and this is our payment side. Make a total. So the payment of the debit is 141 and on the credit it's 120 only. So we are having a loss of 21,000. So by loss, and the ratio of the partner given is 3:2. So 12,684, that is 21,000. Make a total. Total is 1,41,000. Okay. Now realization account is you are prepared. Now we have to again make partners capital account and cash account in order to finish the numerical. Clear? So first we will write the balances of capital account. So by balance BD, if you remember the memorandum balance sheet, the balance of A capital account is 62,000 and of B is 36,000. Clear? Now here we are having a realization loss. So that will come to the debit side of partner's capital account. That comes to 12,600 and 8,400. Clear? As no other thing is given, so we are going to make the payment. So to bank account. Clear? 62,000 minus 12,600. So the amount payable is 49,400. Clear? 27,600. Clear? Now we have to make the payment. So we will prepare bank account. We don't have any opening balance, so we will write the amount realized from sale of asset. So to realization account, that is 1 lakh. Clear? Now we will write the payment made. So by realization, you have made payment to the creditors plus expenses. So that is 23,000. Creditors plus expenses. Clear? And rest you have made payment to the partners. So by A's capital account and by B's capital account. So we have made payment of 49,400 to A and 27,600 to B. Okay. Now make a payment. What you have on the debit side is just 1 lakh only. Make a total 50, 27, 77, 23, 1 lakh. So both the sides of bank account has been matched. There is no discrepancy in matching of that. So this means you have solved the numericals correctly. Dear students, solve more and more numerical to have a better understanding of the concept. Put a stopwatch and then solve. I hope this will help you. Thank you. Happy learning.